turned up.
Smack Daddy.
Oh mate, that would be hilarious, but let's not do that.
Ricky!
You always get a soggy arse, so we're going to do the arse test. Ooh. Turn around. Bend over like you're on a... No Instagram, can't see his package. Oh, okay. Just setting up the top camera. And there's our model.
Morning. It's not even 6 o'clock in the morning. It's dark. It's raining. We've got 3 to 4 hours to drive to London for the Motorcycle News show at Excel Centre, where myself and the crew have got a takeover at Maximo-moto stand. God, I tell you, it's bloody cold. It's wet. I'm going to be wearing sunglasses in the dark. So we're going to be trying out the Insta360 Ace Pro. I've got the GPS remote on my handlebars and I've got my keys on, so fingers crossed I'll be alright and nice and dry.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Oh my god! Here we go! The M1 to London, baby! Those that are new to this channel, when we hit the motorway, it's head down, ass up. Yeah! Oh, I've got to get some juice. How much is it here? Let's have a look. Normal unleaded. Hour plus. Feel good? Oh, 68.9. First tank, aren't you? Good weather. Yeah. The butcher's turned up.
Me? How are you?
He's wet.
It was fun from Derby. He used the force all the way.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
How you doing?
I'm wet and cold.
You wet and cold?
Full of flu.
Look who's turned up.
It's today's model.
Who ordered the condom? We're having breakfast? Nice.
Bad air, Dad. Bad air, never looked so good.
Bad air.
Right. This is the first stop. We've had breakfast. We're all thoroughly wet. We've got a few pull out. This is the crew. There's Glenn on his Triumph. There's the butcher on his, I'm going to say what it is. There's the cocaine train. There's my cameraman Leon on his pan. Here's the main man Adam, just chilling. Cool. Saw this cable out. Get your cable on. Right, let's ride. I'm just going for a Costa, bro! No, I'm not. With me as well. We all get there, or do you want us all on one row? And then all have to be in the same lane? Well, yeah, so we know where the bikes are and stuff. It's just easier. All of it? Yeah. Yeah, stick me down there. Yeah. Oh my god, it's Yeah. I'll do that while you're coming. Yeah. Try and Chris on motorway.
Wet arse.
Yeah, wet arse.
Really wet arse.
Are you wet? No, look at him lot. Are you wet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, are you wet? Are you wet? You're always really wet. Are you wet?
Always for you.
Beauty. You're always wet for me.
Freaking dripping.
Dripping. Here we are. Where are we, cameraman?
We are in London XL at the most beautiful motorbike show, which we haven't found yet.
We haven't found it yet. Right.
MCN, there we are.
Oh, we're this way. Let's do it.
Not got in. So you might not get into there.
We're not let Adam in. We'll let Adam in. We'll let you in for.
Without any fucking amount of waiting for it.
Bit of English, I don't want one of these. Beard bricked up.
I've ended up with the newspaper. Tomorrow, I'll be on the front page. Tomorrow, me and Maka will be front page.
I believe you.
It's got to be bigger than this, surely. It's only one all. I can see everything from here. I can see the pub from here.
There's got to be a whole raft of.
Is this it? Is this genuinely it? Well, let's just go have a look. I think I'm in love. Tell me that's not sexy. Tell me that is not sexy.
Not anymore.
You know when they say, you know when they go on about blue steel, Maka is always one step away from it. He's one step away from it. The ultimate pose.
That's where your fan came from.
Twin carbs, bro. Twin carbs.
This girl, I can't remember her name now, she decided to come back from Vietnam and she just got us.
In Vietnam.
I met a girl in Vietnam.
We rode back and the first half of it, she sort of rode the whole halfway there in flip-flops.
I would have said that until 2 weeks ago when I took the scooter over to Germany. If I'd have gone on my T7, it would have got me there and I would have just commuted to Germany.
Go. Sorry.
Stuff going on there.
It's always one and it's always me. You've got comedy value when you're grinding on a mannequin.
Well, I'll tell you what, that's royalties on that. They are.
Royalties.
Send us a little clip, mate.
Well, I'll do it for you.
I appreciate that.
Anytime, mate, I'll get it for you.
We'll go on the BOBHEAD and cyc stand.
He's only been filming zoomed in.
Sack the cameraman.
It's my fault. Let's go and cost the BOBHEAD boys.
Go.
Legend number one. Where's the other legend?
He's hiding somewhere. He's inside there. Hey,
He's working for a living.
Zilla, bring it in, bro. I'll take a snapshot from here in a minute. Cameraman's slacking. No, look, he's showing you how he's designed this build.
So we designed this with Sykes. So we literally sent over the logos, where we wanted it, and a Photoshop concept. So pretty much, other than the wheels, because we couldn't get them in time, they've absolutely nailed it. It's badass from this side. Oh, that was the other thing. It was a 48, but because we can only get a 1200, don't want to bike in time. So So instead of the 48, we've got 18 because we were established in 2018. It's not bad in.
It's nicely done, eh? Jesus, nicely done. I like that. What do you think, Adam?
Love it, mate. Bit of me, that is.
Sit on it, lad. Try on the side.
Don't scratch it.
Already got the forwards on it, ready, look.
You break it, you buy it.
Love the thick bars.
That one got fuel gauge on it? That got fuel gauge on it?
No.
You can't tell that. We're looking every 5 minutes.
You get about 70 mile out of that.
If you're lucky.
That's what you started on, though, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's where it all started.
Now, just setting up the top camera. Say hello, cameraman.
Hello, cameraman. Your most serious look.
Serious look.
So, are you ready to be Mr. Live?
As always.
This is my live cameraman. He's going to be hosting the Instagram live feed. Where's the and this is Master Taylor. He's going to be dressaging.
Masturbator.
Give it a little bit of.
Masturbator. What did you say, Master?
Master Taylor.
Master Taylor.
Master Taylor.
No, it's not as
I'm
good
going
as
with Master.
Dressage.
And where's our model?
Where's Kendra?
Where's Pedro? Where's Pedro? Let's go find the model. Where's Greta? And there's our model. Look.
It looks better on than on the hangar.
We can't wait to see it.
The camera's going to have to get it when people's talking. You're going to have to get in the face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's have the camera off. Just look at this. This is what we call technical triangle.
Oh,
It's going to be signal, isn't it?
No, my phone's wet.
Yeah, my arse is wet. Doesn't work. Doesn't work this way.
It's all happening now.
That's it now.
This is it. Takeover. Apparently we're live.
Everyone's waiting on
We are live.
You haven't eaten for a week.
We are
Been
live.
eating cotton
Come on,
wool.
cameraman.
We are live.
Yeah, we're right.
So Adam, are you ready?
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens.
Adam. He's the mannequin. And here we have my YouTube cameraman. Say hello, cameraman.
Hello, people of Instagram world.
Hello, cameraman.
Hello, cameraman.
Hello, cameraman. Right, I'm going to hand you over to your cameraman.
Are we ready?
Hey! Hang on.
Are we ready?
Right then, people. Here we have Adam. It is. What would that? Is that like 80s skateboard-ish? 90s skateboarder?
Avril Lavigne.
Which one? Avril Lavigne? Yeah.
Skateboarder.
So
I think it's total up-to-date fashion, that. Hey, mate.
we are going to try on some of Maximo-moto's gear. But first, something's missing from Adam.
There is something missing.
Bear with me, bear
There
with
is
me.
something missing from that.
Bring the cameraman. Cameraman, come with me.
What's missing?
What is missing? Moustache?
I can't see it.
Oh yes.
Yes.
He-Man.
Yes. Those that are used to 80s cartoons, this is Adam. We're now going to turn him into Prince Adam.
Oh yeah.
That's sexy.
Alright.
Alright,
Look at this dude.
wow. He-Man.
Look at this dude.
Master of the universe.
Dude, give us a flex. Give us a flex.
That weirdly suits you.
Maximo-moto.
Right, what we got? What's the first one? Here, come here. We are trying on.
Aroused or scared?
What we're trying on? Which one's this? Tactical one. This one is their tactical jacket.
Sorry, my hair's in my eyes.
Come on, get your arms in. Adam's a bit of a nightmare, I have to dress him.
Careful with my hair.
I have this problem with my hair.
This is like day in the life of Macca. Oh, my hair, hang on a minute, let me sort my hair out.
They all take the mick out of me because my hair. Now you're feeling it. Oh my god, look at that helmet.
He's an Alex bum.
Adam, L'Oreal, because you're worth it.
I am worth
Look at him, look. Oh, it's even got a belt, man. It's even got a belt. I'm gonna belt him.
Could be to hold your stomach in. In my case,
There you go.
Nice.
Beauty, beauty, it works, it works. Come on, give us a twirl. View request. Who's it from?
The honest biker.
Where's she? Is she here? Is she there? Hang on, yeah, press yeah. Yeah, go on. Sorry. Are you in? Are you live? Is she live? Are you live? Are we live? We're live. She's live. She's hijacking my feed. I'm being hijacked. She's hijacking me.
I've already got one blonde hair, thank you.
Hang on. Hey, only I can touch you because I paid for this.
You're not bad.
Ready. Right, next one. We have the shorter version. Yeah, we'll do the shorter version now, yeah, please.
Got what it's like out there.
Is that for this? Not for that?
Something what I need about it. If you find the biggest one that we have, hopefully that's the bigger one.
So, I might add, I am 6 foot tall, 220 pound, 220 pound.
More like 260.
220 pound, and this is a 3XL and it fits perfect. I've got quite a few layers on.
It's just fat.
You make a lovely couple, you know that, don't you?
No one else finds it weird, everyone's got spare wigs on the top. Nah, we've gone leather. I'm not feeling his hair.
Nice.
So we're just giving you.
Now I'm worth it.
However, we have another wig.
Another one?
Another wig. This one's a bit longer. It's gone for a mullet. Do it!
Dude!
Now we're sorting.
Now I am scared.
Surfer babe.
Dude, wait. Dude, where's my leather?
And I thought Eddie Van Halen were dead.
This is my problem. I have this problem.
No, you know what? I'm not being funny. It actually suits him, and that's really scary.
Because I am worth it.
It's really scary.
Right,
You're about
so what I'm
5
saying.
pints. He wants to move straight in, like he's not enjoying the rib. Give us a spin in the leather. Beauty.
Just look at Adam.
Adam got his cock out.
No, you get.
That's normal, isn't it?
I know.
You get a man bun.
It is the weekend as well, strangely
Hang on,
enough.
I'm
And that
just
is
giving
normally
Adam
the
a
main
man
day.
bun. Just bear with us for a second. Oh look. It's probably the first and only time Adam will have a man bun.
It's very true.
Oh, he's not doing a man bun, is he?
You know what he looks like? He looks like the bird out of Bates Motel.
Yeah, yeah. Or even the Base Motel's mum.
Come on.
It's got weird.
Now he looks like something I had to call the Rift wife.
See, we could have been brothers after all.
And sisters.
Give him a bun.
Do it.
Where's the one pieces? Apparently they've got one pieces.
More leather.
We're going to put Adam in a one piece.
Take the fucking hair off.
This is for all the ladies.
He's getting his wang around.
I'm all standing there in me
Adam, is it cold?
It's going to be a bit cold. Say it's cold.
Or I want to do something. Just, it's going to get weird. Just go with it.
It's going to get
Hello.
Just go with it, man.
That's an art shot if ever I've seen it. That's an art shot.
Yeah, that was balls.
Save my battery, cameraman.
Oh.
Hang on, it's just it just builds some momentum. It's not live. Stop objectifying blonde Adam.
I now know what it feels like.
Right, we're on.
I now know what it feels like to be a woman objectified for my looks, my locks, my package.
Stop looking at his package Instagram. Have you found us? Are you on? Are you live? Are you in?
Are we on? We're on.
Fred.
Everybody's on.
Do you want to help fit him into this one piece? Have you got any butter?
Tell them what it is.
Let's talk about the one piece.
Tell them what it is.
We'll put translation on here in a moment.
I think Adam's identifying as a superhero today.
I am.
You got it?
Like yours.
Did he just say what I think he did?
Just ignore it.
These are not.
No Instagram. You can't see his package.
It has to be streamline, right?
Sort your hair out, bro.
Streamline.
Well, I nearly caught something, didn't I?
There you go.
Can I zip you up?
Hey, man.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Do the twirl. Nice.
Now I feel like Black Valentino Rossi.
Nah. In one pieces, you always get a soggy arse, so we're going to do the arse test.
Ooh.
Turn around. Bend over like you're on a motorbike. Nice! Nice!
Yeah, even I feel violated.
Sorry, Mum. Good, very warm, very snug.
Right.
We go and get burger.
Cool.
Thank you very much, Instagram. London XL. Here's the boys. We are on the way through the middle of London to the bike shed for a burger, baby! Yeah! Leave it, bro. It's got to be done, man.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Oh dear.
I haven't seen you in 2 years. There we go. Got to bring it in, man. That's how we do.
Oh, give me gloves back.
Is that Chris over there?
Yeah, in the corner.
What do I do? Coming out. You can see it coming out.
Just give me the bloody bike. How does it work?
You just pedal and then the electric will kick in.
Pedal and pop, bro. It's pedal and pop, bro.
That's it, man.
Pedal and pop.
Yeah, something like that.
Which way's the traffic?
Left. We're in England, it goes left.
Oh yeah, England.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're right.
The infamous Macca. Lost in London.
That's it. There it goes. Never to be seen again.
Only at the bike shed.
That's it. That's 2050 right there. All electric power.
I'll charge you for this. So we've got the, what's your name?
Ricky, man.
Ricky, man.
The magnificent Ricky.
Magnificent Ricky, because Macca's
off somewhere.
fucked off on his bike.
Oh wait, there he is.
Lying on his back.
Wait, is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Mac Daddy. There goes his grand entrance.
Go wheelie.
I'm going to bike there, see you later. Yeah, you can have your bloody bike back. Right, we're going to go sit down and order food and we'll go. Right, can you save me space? Time to eat. Let's go.
Adam, you'll be on front. Gonna go around. Do it! Right, I'll see you later. Oh my god.
There's Mac Daddy.
There, dude. There, bit. That fucking best start! I'm gonna shim over a bloody pedestrian crossing. Yes, bro! Yes, bro! The pain of London. It's just traffic lights after traffic lights after traffic lights. You got to ask yourself how many times these come off. Bloody hell. That helmet is trashed. I would put that on the head.